Hey guys, it's Brenda with our new backyard. I just thought I'd give a quick update on our trip from Austin, Texas to California. We left Austin at dark 30, literally 3:30 in the morning on I guess, Thursday morning, and drove from Austin to Phoenix. We got into Phoenix about 4:30 or 5 o'clock that same afternoon. And then we spent the night in Phoenix and got up and left just as early the next morning and drove all the way to Santa Clara, California. Here's just a few snippets of our road trip, mostly desert, and we did a lot of it during the dark, which is kind of nice, but we did get to see some of the saguaro cactuses when we got out to Arizona. It was a nice long drive, but we got here safely, which is all that matters. We're going to be spending some time in California for a while, and we're going to road trip the heck out of this state and visit all the things that we have never seen, and some of the things that we have seen. We're going to revisit those, but it ought to be fun, and stay tuned to the channel. We will be updating you with some new videos. I've got a lot of catching up on filming and how to film again. It's been a while since I've posted anything, but we'd love you to follow us along as we stay out here in California for a while and visit this beautiful and historical state.